My name is Abdulrahman. I will talk about how paper is made. Uh, in my presentation, I will show you uh, the process that the workers use to convert tree to papers. First of all, uh, I will talk about uh, the three structures. As you know, uh, the three trunks has four things. First of all, called bark, and this outside of the trunk. It used to protect the inner wood from weather, insects, and other dangers. The second part of the trunk, called cambium, is a thin layer whose shell become both bark and inner wood. And the third layer, called sapwood, uh, which carries nourishing sap through the tree. What is the sap? Sap, as you see here in these pictures, is the liquid materials that feed the tree, as we have in our body veins that call in our body
Veins.
veins, yeah. The name of this in the tree sapwood. The last one, called hardwood, is the inner part of the trunk. Here in this picture, you will show here in this one, the outside is called bark, and this side called columbium, and all this layer called sapwood that feed the tree, and the inner side called hardwood. And in this, you can see it clear in this picture. This one is called bark, and this one called cambium, and this layer called sapwood, and this layer is hardwood. The second step, what is the source of fiber? As you know, the wood material is formed of fibers, and we have two stages to various source of how we make the paper. First source of paper making material is made brand new from trees, and the second source of paper making material is recycled fiber. The third step, which type of tree uses. We have two various different from wood. The first one called hardwood, and the second one called soft wood. The hardwood trees, such as oaks and maples, and both of which have wood with fairly short fibers. And what there is benefits and there is advantage and disadvantage of this type of wood. The paper made from this species is weaker, but surface is smoother, and so it's better to write and print on, and that we use in our paper today. The second type of wood, called this is the picture of wax tree. The second type of wood calls softwood trees, such as pine and spruce, and both of which have wood with long fibers. And what is the advantage and disadvantage of this type of wood? Paper made from these species is much stronger. I mean stronger than hardwood trees. But the finish is rough, so we can't use it. As a result, we can't use it for writing or printing and many other uses. Just only we can use it in can or like this, in strong tissue or like this. And this is the pictures of pine tree. The last step of this story is the last step how paper is made. First of all, workers harvest trees from the land, and they should plant a new plant, and they should plant a new plant. Yeah. Second step, the legs, the trunks or legs are transported to the paper company, where they get bath to rinse and embarrass the dirt from the trunks, and to make all trunks, or to make in order to sure all lugs is clear. After that, they have the third step. The ships sorted according to the size, and moved to building operations. And in this operation, they have to chop this log or chips into small pieces. And the finished pulp looks like mushy. Mushy was like smudged potatoes, like this one. It's grind or ground. Yeah, ground like this one. Yeah. In this time, we have to make paper out of pulp. I mean, getting the water out of the wood fiber. What is the step to make water out of pulp? First, paper makers separate the stock onto a long white screen called a wire, and this machine. What is the work of this machine? Isolated water from the floor, and water begins to drain out the bottom of the wire. Yeah. And then the pulp fibers are caught on the tip side of the wire. Then bound together in a very thin mat. Even when this wet work is over, the pulp stuff on the wire is still about 60% water, but now it is time for the drying. And the last step of how paper is made, we have huge metal cylinders are heated by filling them with steam, and the wet paper, which can be up to 30 feet wide, pass through them. These hot rolls, sometimes dozens of them, and often in 3 to 5 groups. Heating and drying the wet sheet seals the fibers closer and closer together, turning them gradually from pulp into paper. And the last step, we can get the paper. At the end, I can summarize what I say. The first step, we have to know which kind of tree we have to use. The second step, they sometimes use new brand of fibers, and sometimes they recycle the old fibers. And the last step, they have to work on how paper is made. And thank you for being a good listener.